Oh boy. I can't wait to go shop at IKEA. But first, let's go rob this house. Look. A husky.
Hello.
It doesn't even work. Nice. Alright, let's go check out the IKEA. Ah. Yes. A worker. Maybe he can assist me. Maybe not. Actual guard dogs. Crazy. Sup bro?
Hello.
Can you help me?
No.
Is that a marshmallow creature? Let me get something to drink.
What the hell?
Yeah. I ain't drinking that. I like the flattened tissue box included with the computer. Very cool. What kind of dog is that? A toaster? Feels like I'm walking on cement. How did this even get in here? Who put a whole campfire in here? I will eat you later. Got a whole forest fire in here. Ooh. This thing sucks. Time to do sick tricks. No, you made it to the end of the video. Congrats. I guess I'll leave.
Oh my god! Oh Jesus!